Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing what a charging system failure message means in your vehicle and how to diagnose and fix the issue. Explanation of charging system failure. First off, let's talk about what a charging system failure means. This message usually appears on your dashboard when there's a problem with the electrical charging system of your vehicle. This can be caused by a faulty alternator, a weak battery, loose or damaged wiring, or other related issues. Diagnosis steps. To diagnose the problem, you'll need a multimeter to check the voltage output of the alternator and the battery. You should also inspect the wiring and connections for any signs of damage or corrosion. Additionally, a load test on the battery can help determine its health. Fixing the issue. If you've determined that the alternator is the culprit, you'll need to replace it with a new or refurbished unit. For a weak battery, consider getting it tested and replaced if necessary. Checking and repairing any damaged wiring or connections is also crucial to ensure proper functioning of the charging system. Conclusion. Remember, a charging system failure can lead to various electrical issues in your vehicle, so it's essential to address it promptly. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and resolving this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.